All right. Hey, friends. This is Josh, and this is ESL Connexus, a lesson on greetings. This is a great little picture, meeting and greeting. So you see some students in a classroom, and here are some example conversations. Hello. Hi. How are you? Fine, thanks. Hi, I'm Tom. Hi, Tom. I'm Anna. We have some other words related to conversations as well. If you look at D, let me see if I can find it here. Introductions. So this is how you might introduce yourself. You might say, hi, I'm Tom. The other person would say, hi, Tom, I'm Anna. E down here, the letter E, smile, smile. It's always good to smile. You might hug, hug. You might hug someone. And then finally, you might wave, wave. Tell your partner what to do. Take turns. Say hello. Hello. Bow. Bow. That's when you go like this. Bow. Smile. Yeah, you smile. Shake. Shake hands. Shake hands. Wave. Wave. Say goodbye. Dictate to your partner. Write S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Smile. Write smile down on a piece of paper. It is spelled S-M-I-L-E. Yes, that's right. So here's a typical way to greet people. Good evening, everyone. You'll see here, bow. Bow. They're bowing to each other. Introduce a friend. So here's three people talking, and you'll see Fred, this is Jan. Nice to meet you, Jan. Nice to meet you, Fred. Kiss, kiss. Sometimes we greet people by kissing them. And then finally we say goodbye. Goodbye. Good night. Good night. Ways to greet people. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Ways to introduce yourself. I'm Tom. My name is Tom. Hello, I'm Tom Munoz. Now we can do some pair practice. Good morning. My name is Tom. Second person would say, nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. So these are all great conversations. Greetings. Thanks for listening. I hope you'll like